First, we're going to start with the t-shirt. The t-shirt has already been scoured and mordanted and ready for dye. We are going to weigh it so we know exactly how much material needs to be put into the dye bath. We are going to use 100% weight of fiber. This means that we will use the same weight in walnut paste as the weight of the t-shirt. Now that the walnut paste is measured out, we're going to dump it into a pot of water that is about 180 degrees. This will make it dissolve easily. We will give it a nice stir to make sure that everything is dissolved and that there are no lumps. Now that it is dissolved, we're ready to put the t-shirt in. Ideally, you'd want to wet the t-shirt straight from the mordant bath and put it right into the dye bath. At this point, we're just moving the t-shirt around, opening it up, making sure that all creases are getting absorbed by the dye. Stirring it around after it's been sitting for about 10 minutes at this point. After letting the t-shirt sit in the dye bath for anywhere from 1 hour to 24 hours, you'll get a dark brown. We're now going to show you the color that you can get if you take this walnut paste dye t-shirt and put it into madder. And now we have the most beautiful color rust that we've ever created with natural dyes.